All right, welcome back from the break. Right now it's time for a lifestyle feature, and it features Kamika. She's a mixologist, and trust me, she mixes up some wicked, weird name juice with some Wakefield products. Kamika, take over my show for just a quick second, please.
Good evening. I'm Kamika from Barry's Bar. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you some of my Wakefield mixes. As you can see, we have variety of products. But today we're going to do like 4 cocktails. So I'm starting off with the Wakefield Turbo Punch. We're going to use all 3 juices. That is the pineapple, Wakefield pineapple juice, Wakefield fruit punch, and Wakefield orange juice. With a little blue curacao. And then I'm going to use a little rum bar. A little corn syrup. And of course, a dash of grenadines. And we're going to shake it over ice, pour into a cocktail cup, right? Garnish with pineapple and, of course, cherry. Next week coming, look out for the Wakefield Ocean Cooler.
Pree Dis, Calico Jack Rum Punch are on a mission to take over Jamaica with their new tour. Now they're going all over the country, and every single Jamaican just loving the taste of this Calico Jack Rum Punch. Recently, the Pree Dis team went down there in Bay City Supermarket to find out what's going on. So check it out, Calico Jack Rum Punch World Tour.
You know we run road. You know we run road. You know we say I'm a girl that I don't know. I J.O.P. around the street and you don't know. Presidential roll like Obama. Than the general, me at the governor. And we full of tall room like Osama. We make a step on your head, left look on the diploma for the streets and not.
Right now I'm here with Craig, and we are in Mobay, as I said, cause Calico Jack come take over the place. Now Craig, tell me, what are your thoughts on this Calico Jack Rum Punch?
Well, it's a nice blend, you know, you see me, and it have this fruit taste about it, you see me, like, fruit juice, you see me, real good, man, the thing shot.
Calico Jack Rum Punch. Y'all need to go out in any supermarket and try this wonderful product. We are here with Anthony. Anthony, tell me, what are your thoughts on the Calico Jack Rum Punch?
You know, so basically still, it mad, I'm not telling a lie, it have a fruit flavor. You understand, the rum kind of dip on a level in it, so I'm not telling a lie, you can party with it.
Yes, we can party.
Yeah, man, you can party with it, man. Mad thing.
Anthony like it, Cruddy like it, all of Mobay like it right now. Calico Jack Rum Punch. Calico Jack has taken over Montego Bay, and Leone is a part of it. Leone, what's up?
I'm fine.
Alright. Tell me about this whole road show with Calico Jack just coming into Mobay with an invasion.
Like, honestly, it's awesome. If you're not here, you missed something. We're going to be all over Jamaica, but we were in Lusa the other day, and now we're in Mobay, and it's an awesome. Everybody come out, everybody's having a good time. And if you're not drinking Calico Jack, you're not saying anything.
All right, as I said, if you're not drinking Calico Jack, really, you're dumb right now. All right, tell me about this road show, Calico Jack, the whole movement. Talk to me about it.
All right, the purpose of the tour is basically to highlight to the customers. They're hearing about the product, but we're trying to put it on the lips of a mass at once. And so we decided to hit the major towns, and of course, Mobay being Mobay, then of course, that's why we're here today.
Check out the launch of Mother's new promotion. It's called Cash is King. I remember in this promotion you could win a lot of money. Mothers always doing it big. So right now it's your turn to Pree Dis.
Yeah, if you don't make money, then you don't make sense. Pounds and US, no pence. Spend a couple G's, mama money tall like cheese. Rims them crump on the Benz. I'm say, box of money, box of money. Julia with the white socks of money. You see me not it all, you know me lots of money. You trail me chucks of money. If you get a youth, box of money.
Alright, me touch a madam, me go buy a full dose of TV. Buy a beef one, yes, fit me be a beef. No eat no but me say nah, no be a beef. Me love the mothers, wanted me say me love me 3 Yeah, when me go over there, me tell them when they want 2 piece. chicken plus a patty. What kind of patty? Tell them to the full load for me. These patty, we buy that for me, baby. And let me tell you, pull up! Fast, fast, fast! Hell no! Somebody else, come on, give me this to me. Listen to me, keep me. I want you to say, mothers, fight time, fast, fast, fast. Mothers, fight time, fast, fast, fast. We have a winner! Box some money. Mothers money. With the white stop some money. Just remember Twitter. You know me got some money. You share me and shop some money. Every day I use box some money. Box some money. Every day all of them box some money. Yes. Someone bring us some stop some money. And I show me that's some money. When they see me go to the film, just show me and in the dance some money and I show them.
In hard times like these, we have the best value. You come in, you spend $350, inclusive of GCT, you get a chance to enter as many times as you want, as many times as you spend. And we have a weekly drawing. The first prize of every week for the next 7 weeks is a flat screen TV. The second prize is a shopping spree, and the third prize is $15,000. Any mother's operations you go to, you just get the best meal that you can get. We have patties, we have burgers, one of the best. I love the burgers. We have chicken, and we have jerk chicken, barbecue chicken, and another favorite of mine, the nuggets.
It's now time for a third and final commercial break. Remember, when we get back, we still have a lot more. It's your TV show, Pree Dis. Remember, follow us on Twitter at Pree Dis Show.